Cheers.
Cheers.
Hi, I'm Aunt V, and this is my son Silas, and today we will be making drinks that nobody asked for. I'm going to start with the Legal Martini, and Silas will be back later with the Legal Manhattan. It's martini time. So we are going to need some hot water, a chicken broth with seasoning packet, some lemon juice, some bitters, and some optional mushrooms. We had a little trouble finding hot water at H-E-B, so we had to make our own. But hot water is important because that's what's going to make your drink hot.
Tell me something I don't know.
Well, did you know that the right whale's testicles can weigh up to 1,000 pounds each? We're going to do 1 cup of hot water and 1 packet of sodium-free chicken broth with seasoning. Stir. Okay, so now we need to chill this for 1 hour. Okay, it's been an hour. And then we are going to need half a teaspoon of bitters and 1.5 teaspoons of lemon juice. Okay, we will pour these into our glasses. And garnish with our mushrooms. They did not have button mushrooms, so we just got mushrooms. And there we go. Cheers. That is still terrible. Should be illegal. Come taste.
Definitely should be illegal. Tastes like something my mom used to serve me when I was sick.
Well, there you have it, folks. The Legal Martini. Now we're going to bring in Silas to make the next drink that nobody asked for.
Today we're going to be making the Legal Manhattan. So first, we're going to need 3/4 of a cup of Zevia black cherry soda. I'm going to be starting off with here. And you want it to have it chilled. We're just going to pour this right here in this cup of ice. Then we're going to want to have, okay, I'm not going to do this in one take. I think it's one tablespoon of lime juice. Yeah. And then lastly, we have half a tablespoon of cherry bitters. And fun fact, bitters, when you're making a drink, you add them to your sweet drinks to make them bitter.
Tell me something I don't know.
Snails have teeth. Yeah, clearly. How in the world?
All right.
There you go. Chris.
Like that. Yeah. And that is the Legal Manhattan.
Wait, there's no alcohol in it?
No, it's legal.
Ain'tV, would you like to come try this with me?
I'd love to. Cheers.
Cheers.
You know what I think this needs? 2 shots of vodka. Delicious.
It is tasty. Today we're going to be making vodka salad in our lobster mold. To get us started, we're going to need to pour this into that bowl. Then right after that, you're gonna need to pour 2 cups of boiling hot water.
We'll stir until dissolved.
While she's stirring that, I'd like to tell you a fun fact. Jell-O is liquid until you put it in the fridge. Then it becomes gelatinous.
Tell me something I don't know.
Slugs have 4 noses.
I didn't know that.
After she's done mixing, we're gonna need 1 cup of cold water and 1 cup of vodka.
Let me get those. We've got the vodka and the cold water.
Mom, I said cold water.
Oh, okay. Well, let me fix that.
Okay.
Let's start with the cold water. And 1 cup of vodka. And stir. All right, now to get this into our Jell-O mold. So we'll just use our measuring cup and pour. All right, let's get this in the fridge for 4 hours or until firm.
Join us tomorrow to see how our vodka salad turns out.
Our Jell-O has been chilling in the refrigerator overnight. Silas is going to get this loosened up for us.
Just gonna softly work at the edges. Since this is a weird shaped mold, it's gonna take a little bit more effort. All right, now I'm gonna slide this over to Ain'tV.
All right, then we are going to stick this in some warm water for about 10 seconds. Then we are going to shake
it
it
up
to try to loosen it just a little bit more. And here goes nothing. Oh.
Beautiful.
All right, now let's get this dressed up. All right, who is ready for a slice of lobster salad? That is jiggly. This is actually delicious. You can hardly taste the vodka in this vodka salad. And that's a wrap for Ain'tV and Silas and Drinks Nobody Asked For.